right, mate's coming over to watch the footy, so I've got to get the barbecue up to scratch and give it a bit of a clean. And with my $50 Mitre 10 E-Voucher, this job is about to become a whole lot easier. Step 1, turn on the barbecue to heat the plate. Whack the head into cold water, colder the better, until saturated, and then apply it to your hot grate. For best results, resaturate often, working in sections. I tell you what, this barbecue has never looked so clean. Have a go at this. The retractable hook lifts the grill.
Hey Fletch, I bought the beers for everyone.
Welcome, Rat. I'm just firing up the barbie. What are you wearing?
It's that time of year.
I better get changed. Okay.
You're that last boy on there, Fletch.
Yeah, let's have a beer, eh?
Yeah, for sure.
May the best team win.
Oh, we know who that'll be.
Exactly. Us. Purchase a specially marked case of VB. Then visit the website to see what value E-Voucher you have won.